Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is Sajid Ali Haider, your investment partner here in Istanbul, Turkey. You remember a few days back, we recorded a video with 𝐂𝐨𝐲𝐬𝐿 about a new business opportunity in construction under urban transformation. You remember we told you that government is supporting this construction business here in Istanbul, Turkey. Particularly in our first video, we told you the opportunity, and in this second video, we are going to tell you that we, after all the contracts and negotiation with the investors, are now ready to start this construction business. We already got an investor. 50% payment will be investing by my investor and 50% I put it from my pocket, and we prepared the contract. And after signing the contract, now we got the opportunity to find out the best location for our first pilot project. So right now here with 𝐂𝐨𝐲𝐬𝐿, we are here at 𝐓𝐨𝐬𝐿. You can see a beautiful sea, and we are going to have the opportunity to start this building on my left hand, and 𝐂𝐨𝐲𝐬𝐿 is already with me. So 𝐂𝐨𝐲𝐬𝐬, how are you?
Alhamdulillah, thank you very much. You know, we started these videos 2 weeks ago.
Yeah.
Alhamdulillah, today we will find our location and first apartment. We start our first project. This location is very good. Very close to parking area, directly see the sea. Is best options for investor and for us. Apartment, we will manage to find a good location for our investors.
Wow, that's great. That's great. And by the way, you told me that if someone is going to apply for Turkish citizenship, they do not need to invest $400,000. You have an opportunity with the less money. Is it true?
Of course. When people come to the Turkey, they think we need for $100,000 for take the citizenship. It is not need for this money.
Okay.
We can do it more lessly.
Like how much?
Nearly $250,000 we can complete.
So it will be illegal. Yani the minimum threshold by the government is $400,000.
We are lawyer and we are business partner. How can we do it? We always work is legal and halal money.
Wow. How it practically how it is possible?
More simple. When we start building a new apartment, we need for investors. They can support us for $250,000.
Okay.
When we will complete it with 50% benefit, their money will be $400,000.
Oh,
they
I
can
see.
Take citizenship with this money.
Oh.
They not need extra money for this.
So they will not be able to apply
money
immediately.
And they take benefit and they will take their citizenship.
So only they need to wait only 8 to 10 months after earning that profit. They can add into their capital investment and then they can
take their citizenship.
So with this investment, for example, $250,000, they can get their capital and profit money back, or they can get the apartments as well.
They can choose their capital money and maybe 40-50% they get after capital money benefit, or they will choose apartment. We will give title to them. They will take their citizenship.
Okay,
they need $400,000.
It depends upon the contract which we are making with the residents.
We offer both of them.
Okay.
They can choose money after plus benefit their money, totally 400. They will take their citizenship, or they will take title. Again, they can take their citizenship legally and halal money.
Okay. So guys, right now we are looking for some locations to start our first project. And once we finalize the project, we will let you know that how it starts. For example, first we will make the contract with the residents, then with the governor office, then we will demolish the building and we will start the construction. So it will take in total like 8 to 10 months. And we are already giving you the commitment that everything, if you are going to invest with us, everything will be through legal process. You will be having a notarized contract. And even if you want to get, some apartments on your name in advance by giving that capital investment, you can have it. We can transfer some apartments on your, name, and you can be secure. So once we are ready to plunge into the project, we guarantee you that you will be getting 40 up to 50% profit with your capital investment. So we are looking for you to see you in our office together.
Yes, just smile, just okay, just invest.
Thank you.